Hello girls. Oh dear, you all look a bit soggy. Hello Foggy. 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 Hey. Evelyn. Evelyn, it's Foggy's house. So we've got Evelyn with the orange tag that just stolen Foggy's leaf, and Dory is digging. Henrietta is here, and we've got Elizabeth over there, who's, and of course we've got Foggy, who's got a blue tag, but you can't really see it because of his feet. Oh!
You're in control, Andrew. You're in charge.
They're fanning out.
Yeah, they'll go over here as well. Where's Foggy?
He's over here. Fog. Come on. What was that?
It jumped.
Who jumped?
Foggy.
He jumped? Who made him jump?
Preening.
Ladies' friend, I gotta look good.
I thought the dog would be trying to escape.
Alan, did they eat these?
Yeah.
Dory! Dory! What are you doing, lad? Hey? Crocky's on... Crocky? Foggy is on the crocodile. Not too impressed with that, are they? Is he? Sure you're going for Foggy? Go on, Foggy, mess up their house. What?
Andrew,
Yeah?
behind you. Don't get away.
Good Tom! He's like, what the hell? They're in my garden.
Who's watching? Is anybody watching anything?
Yes!
How many chickens have we got?
5. Henrietta, where are you going? No, that's too far. Come on, this way. You can... Evelyn went to peck you then. She's going to peck your shoe.
You chase him.
Right.
Don't fall down the hole, Lizzie.
What do you mean, whoops? Andrew? Worm.
She's got a worm.
Don't let it go down. You're the wrong side of them.
That's what he did. Evelyn, leave Dory alone. She's got the worm. She found it. Hey, come on. Come on. This way. Right.